What are you doing? Are you spitting out bubbles? What are you doing? Hannah, are you spitting out bubbles? Oh. Let me hear it again. Oh. Say it again. Say, Daddy, I love you. Say it. Can you tell Daddy you love him? Tell him. Tell him. You sweet girl, you should tell him. Say, Daddy, I miss you. Get well. Daddy, I miss you. Get well. Did you tell him that? Sweet girl. Say, I love you, Daddy. Okay, are we done? Okay.